It's a method you can learn and try for yourself. Perfect. 322. This is a retest. I'm expecting continued growth after the retest, and you'll be able to try this method yourself. Fantastic, friends. When was the last time you felt like you truly understood what to do in your current situation? You wake up with a clear sense of direction. You know what steps to take. You have the right tools to help you make informed decisions. But for many people, it's the opposite. They hope for change without taking any action. The truth is, real change often starts with a new perspective and the courage to act. Hi, my name is Evelyn Morgan and I've been a trader for 10 years. I went from working a regular job where every day felt the same to building a system that helped me reach a new level of clarity and opportunity. In this video, I'll walk you through the approach that completely changed how I look at market analysis. It's a method you can learn and try for yourself. I'll explain it in a simple, straightforward way, no complicated jargon. Stick with me until the end. I'll show you how this works in real time, and you'll be able to try this method yourself. Let's get started. A quick pause before we dive in. I want to invite you to a place where real change becomes possible, my private community. It's not just another channel, it's a space where I share everything I've learned over the past 10 years. You'll see how I trade live, understand the exact steps I take and why I take them, and most importantly, you'll have the opportunity to follow along with my decisions and apply them yourself. So many people already do, and I get messages about their results every day. It's important to me that every member feels confident. That's why I personally answer questions and help each new member adjust. And yes, it's completely free. Access is currently open, and all you need to do is click the link in the pinned comment to join. Don't wait for things to magically fall into place. Sometimes progress starts with a simple step. Now, let's get into the session. All right, time for the most exciting part. Opening the platform, it's set to 24. Now let's bring in the indicator. We'll go with RSI. This tool helps evaluate whether the market is overbought or oversold. It's essential when making decisions. Now let's choose the pairs. Great. I'm all set for the session. The key is the right mindset and attention to detail. Let's get started. Analyzing the first pair, the trend remains strong with no signs of reversal. The price continues moving steadily downward and the RSI remains in the lower zone, confirming the strength of the downtrend. So I'm going down. Nice start, let's keep going. On to the next pair. Moving to the next pair, I'm seeing a clearly defined uptrend. The RSI hasn't completely exited the overbought zone, which confirms that the upward movement is likely to continue. Everything points to a trend continuation. Let's take that step. That was the right call. Perfect. Let's keep moving. On this pair, I see some consolidation near a local level. RSI is still below 50, indicating weakening buying pressure. I think this level will break, so I'm opening a downward position from the top of the range. The price moved down as expected. Good, let's continue. Let's see what we've got here. The price bounced off a support level. RSI also bounced from the lower bound, which supports the potential for upward movement. Based on that, I'm going up following the bounce. Perfect, 322. I want more, so let's keep going. We're halfway through our session and you've probably already noticed how much clearer things are becoming, even the parts that used to feel confusing. I remember what it was like to be a beginner, and I know how important it is to have someone by your side to explain things clearly and help you avoid common mistakes. That's exactly why I created this community, to share my knowledge and support others without making it unnecessarily complicated. In my community, community, you'll find well-structured instructions and clear explanations. I regularly share my experience, answer questions, and walk through practical trading examples, all with an emphasis on simplicity and usability. Members also get access to extra materials that aren't available anywhere else. Right now, you can join for free, but the number of people I can personally mentor is limited. Don't forget, the greatest opportunities are often lost when we put things off. Click the link in the pinned comment to learn more and join us. I'd love to welcome you into the group. Let's explore this space together. Now let's continue. Looking at the next pair, RSI has clearly moved out of the oversold zone and held above it. That signals the start of a correction, and the market is likely to keep climbing, so let's go up. Great, we're halfway through. In this kind of work, knowing when to stop is important, especially if you're just starting out. Let's keep going. The trend is still strong, even so RSI hasn't left the overbought zone, confirming that the upward movement may continue. Fantastic, friends. Let's see what's next. Moving on to the next pair. The price hit a new high, then pulled back slightly, returning to the level where the climb started. This is a retest. RSI also tested the 50 level, which supports the idea that the uptrend may resume. I'm expecting continued growth after the retest. Going up. All right. Full focus and concentration now. Let's keep going. I'm watching the support level and RSI is approaching the overbought zone. That suggests the market may be overheated and the price will likely bounce off the level and head down. Let's act without delay. The price dropped as planned. I'm glad I assessed the situation correctly and acted in time. This is a great example of how important it is to monitor levels and indicators when making decisions. Moving on. Let's pause on this pair. I can see the correction is over and the downtrend has resumed. The indicator also reset during that correction, confirming it's ready to support further downside. Time to act. Excellent work! Look what we accomplished, thanks to experience, knowledge, and your attention. By now, you've learned something important. If you want to get solid results, you need to follow someone who's already walked the path. And now you have the chance to do just that. In my community, I go live every day to break down the market and explain each of my trading decisions. This isn't just about offering tips. My goal is to teach you from the ground up and show you how to trade the right way. Trading always involves risks, and I want to help you learn how to minimize that risk by following a clear, proven strategy. Many of my followers are already using my methods and seeing real progress. This isn't just talk. This is a real way to turn things around. For some, it's a chance to achieve financial freedom. For others, it's about getting real results and improving life for themselves and their families. Do you want to be one of them? To get started, all you need to do is click the link in the pinned comment and join the community. I'll personally guide you step by step so you can start using this system without any unnecessary complications. But one important note, access is free for now, but that could change at any time, so don't wait. Click the link and join us today. This opportunity may not be around for long. Don't miss your chance to become part of a supportive and successful community and start moving toward your goals. I'm waiting for you on the channel. See you soon!